Ladies and gentlemen, good news this afternoon. There is no tsunami expected from the 6.7 earthquake that just happened in New Zealand. Boom. That is some solar activity we are looking at there. Also, very happy Father's Day out there to all fathers, plus all fathers to be, and all people out there who may have children in the future that will be dads. Hey, remember how I have been saying that I think the next hurricane, tropical storm, depression watch we will have will be around July 2nd? Well, the latest run of the GFS 100% agrees with me, bringing a major hurricane into the Gulf in about 12 days. But the GFS run from about 12 hours ago suggests we will actually get a hurricane hitting somewhere near Florida, Alabama, Mississippi on the 30th of June, which would be 3 days earlier than what I thought. Also, the 6Z GFS suggests that we will have a wave that rolls off of Africa and will achieve tropical storm type strength before it hits Puerto Rico. And so, yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the thick of hurricane season, and it will only be an adventure from here on out. And this is after Tropical Storm Claudette made landfall in the south and has brought heavy rain and tornadoes to multiple areas. And we have a lot more severe weather in the picture this week and next week. Today, tonight, we're looking out for severe weather out on the eastern seaboard as Claudette exits. And then we've got severe weather watches up through the Ohio Valley and the Great Lakes with the orange enhanced. And then tomorrow in the northeast into Canada, we've got another severe weather watch as the giant heat wave that has been rolling to the west seems to make everything unstable when it gets over to the east. And we have more heat waves to come as technically summer has just begun today. That's right. Happy summer solstice. And I don't have children, although one day I would like to have them. But I do consider myself the godfather of Earth, and that like you guys are all my kids, so I do my best to take care of everyone and lead us into a better future. So if you would like to give me a Father's Day present, I've only got $49 left to raise to make it to my June 2021 THORnews fundraiser goal. I got a snail mail, a PayPal, a CashApp, a Patron, and I'm going to be hard at work for the rest of 2021, bringing you guys very important news that you can use. All right, stay cool. And in trying times like these, it can be hard to stay cool. Scott Duncan showing us Mexico just witnessed its hottest June day in history. And history means ever that we know of. This heat wave is just relentless. We're talking 124.5 degrees in Mexicali, Mexico. That's crazy. It can't stay hot in the West forever, can it? Can't stay hot in the West forever, can it? This hilarious meme template joke brought to us by Max, our weather desk. Yeah, crazy days indeed, dude. Crazy days indeed, my friends. Speaking of heat and earthquakes, so you had your temperature record up here. You had your big earthquake down here, although USGS is listing at 6.3. You had a 5.54 down in Mexico a little while ago. So stay tuned. Earthquakes had been quiet for a while. You never know how long that's going to last. So we will pay attention and stay tuned because that is what we do. Yeah, man, it's going to be floody, and it's going to stay floody all the way through July. That is my guess and estimate. Here we're looking at guessed precipitation over the next 7 days. And here we're looking at computer guesses for mixed precipitation over the next 48 hours, with the red being areas that you may see some very severe weather, but you can see a lot more rain. We'll be moving into a lot of the same areas. Pretty much this area is going to be getting a lot of rain, and then this area is going to stay totally dry. Yeah, Dada Boo, the Florida Wave Master, and I both agree that around the 30th to the 2nd of July, we could be in for some major trouble. So I always tell you to check with your other sources, and since Cranky Weather Guy is no longer in the game, Dada Boo is the second guy I tell you guys to check on, and we both agree, yep, this we got more trouble coming. We definitely have more situations. We got off light and easy with Claudette. Will that hold? I don't know. I doubt it. Climatology speaking, we shouldn't be really worried about a wave rolling off of Africa this early into June and hurricane season, but this is 2021. So everything's up for grabs, and definitely expect more crises in the grand theft crisis kind of world. Hey, Canada updated a risk map for southern southwestern Ontario for tonight's severe weather potential. Stay alert. Areas within the red also include a tornado chance. So you're saying there's a chance? And if the strong wind shear ever drops, it could be Katie bar the door on this hurricane season. And here multiple models are suggesting that the wave coming off of Africa could be a big problem. So we technically have 2 hurricane areas to watch during the June 30th to the 2nd of July period, one coming off of Africa and then one coming out of the Yucatan area. That's what it is, the CAG, the Central American Gyre. It's kind of spelled like Euro, but different with an E. All right, I'm trying to force jokes in here. Yeah, more heat waves. All right, so everyone have a great Father's Day, and hopefully my dad and my stepdad are watching down from heaven over me. I miss them greatly. Okay, everybody stay cool, and I'll talk to y'all in the near future. Peace out.